Hey guys, it is me, Stace. Today we are using the Brother Scan and Cut along with the software to make this really cute trunk-shaped treat box. Isn't that cute on the outside? Then it slides out. You can fit that with treats or trinkets or what have you. All right, let's go to the computer and we will get started. All right, at the computer you want to go to canvasworkspace.brother.com. At the very top you can click on register to create a free account or log in if you already have one. I'm going to click on login, enter in your username and password, log in again. And this takes us to the project section, which is where our project is located. So on this page, I'm just going to scroll down until I find the gift box that we're making. It is right there. It's called Trunk Shaped Mini Gift Box. I'm going to click on that. Now you see this brings up a picture of what the finished project looks like. You can also watch a YouTube video showing them how to put the box together. Then this one here, Get Recipe, this downloads a PDF to your computer that tells you what you need to make the box and also the instructions. Then down here is all the download options. So we have mat A and mat B. So this project does require 2 mats, and we have download all parts. If you chose download all parts, it will download mat A and mat B to your computer. Then you can transfer them to your brother that way, or you can do each mat on its own. So when I hover over mat A, there are 2 options there. There's an arrow, which is my download button, or the import all parts, which takes you inside the Canvas workspace where you can edit the project. I'm going to click on the download arrow button, and it says select the file transfer method. So again, you can download it directly to your computer, or you can do the wireless. I'm going to do the wireless. That has been transferred. Now for some reason, it only lets me do 1 at a time. So what I'm going to do, this is already transferred. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out, come back to my computer, do the same thing for part B, click on the little arrow button, and then do the scan and cut transfer. I'm going to cut all these out with the table and put our box together. Alright guys, we are back. Everything is cut out. I'm going to go ahead and fold in all those score marks. Now, unlike the Cricut machine, this one cuts little dashes that you follow along with the score marks. Take my bone folder and just go ahead and give all them a crisp edge on them. Okay. The same for this piece. And I actually prefer this scoring method better versus this scoring pen. Okay. And now we're going to assemble our box. I'm using art glitter glue. I get this from Mamie Made It. I'm going to put glue on these 4 little tabs. And just line it up on the side. Holding that for a second or two, let the glue grab. Do this side. Okay, and then this side over here. And just line up the side of it. Give it a squeeze, let the glue grab. Okay, I'm going to put glue on these flaps. And push that in. Okay, just like that. So the inside of our box is done. We can set that aside. Now we're going to work on the outside of the box. So you see we have this little flap here. I'm going to put glue on that. I'm going to lay it down and then bring this piece to it. Okay, and then just rub that, make sure it's adhered nicely. Alright, so for the outside we have our little decorations. We have this piece here, and there's 2 of them, so they're going to go on each side. Just line it up in the corners. Okay, do the other side. Okay, now we have, this is our handle. We have these little pieces. There is a score mark in them. And you want the part, when you look at them, they're like that. Okay, you have the fat part here and the skinny part here. You want the fat part to go basically where this is rounded, lining up with the round on this part. Okay, so just like that, you're going to fold it down. Hopefully that made sense. So I'm just lining up the rounded edge with the rounded edge of the brown, then bringing it over and attaching it to the box. Okay, we're going to do that on all sides. Just now this one, the rounded edge is on the right, so I'm going to put it on that side. This is a really cute little box and really easy to go together too. Make sure that glue grabs. Do this one. It's a good size little box too. It can hold a good amount of little treats or trinkets or a small gift for someone. I'm going to grab my pin. My glue has a clog in it. I'm going to stick my pin through there a few times just to unclog it. Okay, we're going to work on the other side. And they're all the same, they're all cut the same way. It just depends on which way you fold them on lining them up. Okay, our last two right here. I need to re-glue this one, it popped off. Okay, our last one. Then we're going to put the handle on. This would look really cute if you were using, for the base here, for the pink, if you were using like a textured cardstock to make it look more like a trunk material. Okay. Alright, now we have the top. And again, this has score marks in it. Okay, so I have it together like that. Okay, so these two little feet, we're going to glue like that. And I'm going to glue one down first, just to make sure it's where I want it. Hold that one down, and then glue the other little piece. This way I can make sure it's straight. Okay, like that. Now if you want to, you can put a little brad or something there, like you don't want anything to go through it, but like a little jewel or gem, make it look like little notches. I'm going to put this piece in. How cute, right? Really fun little box. You can change the colors, it would completely change the look of the box. But there you have it, a really simple Brother Scan and Cut project. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.